Listen and practice.
If we had to ask ourselves, what do I want for myself, for my family? The list is very clear. I want happiness. I want peace of mind. I want willpower. I want to finish fear. I want to finish anger. I want to finish anxiety. How to meet expectations of people. How to meet my own expectations. How to keep the body healthy. How to be focused. How should children have high concentration? How should they achieve what they need to achieve in their education? How should I achieve what I want to achieve at work? How do I keep my body healthy? There is so much that we want. But whenever we want something, we have to work on it. A want cannot become a reality till I put effort on it. And each one of us puts in a lot of effort to make our wants into our reality. But most of the time, the effort is outside. It's in the doing, which is very important. We have to put in effort there. But to make that happen faster, easier, and in a very natural way, let's also put a little attention inside, in the way we think, in the way we feel about what we want. If I keep saying, I want peace, I want happiness, I want to be confident, fearless, just my wanting will not become a reality. So take care of how we think, and which means thinking right is most important. Most important. So if we begin our day with thinking right, because we know the power of our thoughts, we've all experienced it. Thoughts manifest. Thoughts become our reality. We've all experienced it once in a while, but we can make it our natural experience all the time. In everything that we do and in everything that we want, we can make it a natural way of being, which means we can create miracles every day, all the time. Miracle will start becoming a normal way of being. What is a miracle? A miracle is when we use the power of our mind to manifest what we want. So thoughts manifest. The Hindi line is very beautiful. It's a spiritual law. Sankalp se siddhi. Sankalp is thoughts, siddhi is manifestation. So when I know this law that thoughts manifest, so why should I not start using the law? And here comes the power of affirmations and visualization. Affirmation means if we take a thought and we affirm it, we repeatedly hold on to that thought, we repeat that thought many times a day, then that becomes our predominant thought. And whatever is our predominant thought will manifest and become a reality. If I keep saying, I am stressed, that is also an affirmation, and it becomes a reality. Sometimes we say, I am depressed. Sometimes we say, I'm very busy, and it becomes our affirmation. These are negative affirmations. This is not thinking right, because we are manifesting what we don't want into our life just by repeatedly thinking and speaking that way. So thinkrite.me, the app which is on your phone, starts the day with 3 to 4 minutes of daily affirmations. There is a daily journal and a daily journey. A daily journey of affirmations and a daily journal to track how our day has been, and to write at the end of the day, how was my day, what did I change, what do I want to change. So these are two friends that we would have with us throughout the day, the daily journal and the daily journey. So what does the daily journey do? Begins the morning with affirmations. High, vibrational, pure, powerful thoughts